thank you Filmfare and the Eminent jury for considering us work for this recognition and
Thank you, Vasant.
thank you so much. And my director Karan and producer Gaurav and the entire team of Stolen for having this faith on us and our team to be able to pull this off. And huge shout out to my team, especially Niladri and Vijay Ratnam and my other associates Arkeb, Ashish, Sudarshan and Swaraj. Yeah, thanks a lot. Thanks, sir.
Thank